Hey everybody, Lawrence Michael, Operations Manager for Air Quality Remediation, making our final video in the apartment complex remediation and restoration series. This is the last building that we did. This is our completion walkthrough. Pretty much all the buildings have been the same, so again, I'm not going to take up too much of your time. There used to be microbial growth on this drywall ceiling, all of which has been wire brushed, HEPA vacuumed, sanitized, and encapsulated. And as always, we have some block walls that had effervescence that has been treated and decontaminated. This sump pump cover has been decontaminated. Inside each accessible cage, the block walls have all been treated for effervescence and encapsulated. And then all surfaces throughout the entire basement that were accessible have been decontaminated with an antimicrobial solution. So like I said, pretty much all the buildings are the same. I just wanted to give you all a look at what everything looked like post-remediation and post-restoration. All the block walls treated, all that are accessible anyway. For example, this wall was not accessible, and you can see the white effervescence that are on this block wall compared to this block wall that was accessible. So now everything's been treated with an antimicrobial solution and encapsulated. We've already gotten all of our equipment out. Like I said, this is our final walkthrough. Just wanted to give you a look at what it looks like when it's done. Again, effervescence on the block wall that we can't access. Dehumidifier that's been decontaminated and a new filter installed. More block walls that have been treated. The last thing we have to do, there was an error code on the second dehumidifier that was in this area. I haven't been back to my office yet today. I've been running around doing 100 other things, but I was told that the new part got dropped off for the dehu, so when I get back to the office, I'll replace the part, check the dehu, make sure it's running correctly, decon it, and then bring it back and set it in this space, and they'll be back to the 2 dehumidifiers that they require, and the job will be officially completed. This dehu had an error code of ER5, which was a temperature and relative humidity sensor. It's a really small circuit board. That dry ease dehumidifier uses an electronic sensor so that there's no actual wires. This was a mold spot as well. That's all been encapsulated and treated. But those dehumidifiers use a sensor for the relative humidity and temperature, but it is wireless. It's a wireless sensor, so it uses a control board. I wanted to show you guys this too. See how bad that effervescence is on the block walls, and then the mold growth in the corner. But again, we can't access this area because it's locked. So once this tenant does move out, we'll be able to access this individual cage and then treat that effervescence and that mold growth. It's the same in the adjoining cage too. A lot of effervescence on the block walls and then mold growth in the corner. But anyway, that dehumidifier piece is in, so I'm just gonna go back to the office, put the new part in, decon it, check it, make sure everything works good, and then I'll bring it back down here, and this project will be officially completed. So, as always, thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions or any indoor air quality concerns at your residential or commercial property, definitely give us a call. Look us up on our website or any of our social media platforms. We're on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can always give us a call and somebody will be available to help you. 99 times out of 100, that's me, myself. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.